In a significant advancement for military surveillance technology, the U.S. Army's first multi-domain task force, 1st MDTF, operating under the U.S. Army Pacific, USARPAC, has successfully deployed the K1000 Ultra-Long Endurance, ULE, drone during exercise Salaknib 25 at Fort Magsaysay, Philippines. This deployment marks a pivotal moment in the Army's efforts to integrate cutting-edge unmanned aerial systems, UAS, into its operations, particularly in the strategically vital Indo-Pacific region. Developed by Kraus Hamdani Aerospace, the K1000 ULE drone is a solar-powered, fully electric, and zero-emissions aircraft designed for extended intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. With a wingspan of 5 meters and a length of 3 meters, the drone can ascend to altitudes of up to 20,000 feet and cover distances exceeding 1,000 miles. Its lightweight design, weighing between 21 and 55 pounds, allows for impressive endurance, with recorded flight times surpassing 76 hours, setting a record within its class. The K1000's wings are equipped with solar panels that recharge its lithium-ion batteries during flight, enabling prolonged missions without the need for traditional refueling. Its folding propeller and 3D printed skids facilitate easy deployment and recovery in various terrains. The drone's design incorporates artificial intelligence to mimic natural flight patterns, allowing it to glide silently and efficiently, making it difficult to detect by radar or sensors, a significant advantage in contested environments. During exercise Salaknib 25, the K1000 ULE was utilized for area, route, and zone reconnaissance missions, providing real-time data to command teams. This deployment was part of the Joint Pacific Multinational Readiness Center Exportable (JPMRCX) initiative, aimed at enhancing interoperability among allied forces through realistic and complex training scenarios. The drone's capabilities were previously tested during exercise Balikatan 2024, where it demonstrated its effectiveness in extended surveillance missions. The successful integration of the K1000 into these exercises underscores its potential to enhance the Army's ISR capabilities, particularly in regions where traditional aerial platforms may face limitations due to geography or electronic warfare threats. The deployment of the K1000 ULE aligns with the U.S. Army's broader strategy to modernize its ISR and electronic warfare systems. In regions characterized by denied or degraded communications, platforms like the K1000 are critical for maintaining situational awareness and secure data flows across multi-domain operations. Recognizing the drone's potential, the Pentagon awarded Kraus Hamdani Aerospace a $20 million contract under the Accelerate the Procurement and Fielding of Innovative Technologies (APFIT) program to produce and deliver K1000 ULE units for the U.S. Army and Joint Special Operations Command. This investment reflects the Department of Defense's commitment to integrating innovative technologies that provide a strategic edge in modern warfare. The successful deployment of the K1000 ULE drone during exercise Salaknib 25 marks a significant milestone in the U.S. Army's pursuit of advanced ISR capabilities. Its unique combination of endurance, stealth, and adaptability positions it as a valuable asset in the evolving landscape of military operations, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. As the Army continues to embrace technological advancements, platforms like the K1000 will play a crucial role in shaping the future of unmanned aerial surveillance and reconnaissance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.